you see anything you'd like, sir? The shells will blow like a trumpet.
Moreover, brethren, we do you to wit of the grace of God, bestowed on the churches of Macedonia, how that in a great trial of affliction, the abundance of their joy and their deep poverty abounded unto the riches.
More for your money. Just let me know if you guys ready. I'll be with you in a minute.
Beyond their power, they were willing of themselves, praying us with much entreaty that we would receive the gift to take upon us the fellowship of the ministry to the saints. And this they did, not as we hoped, but first gave their own selves to the Lord, and unto us by the word of God, insomuch that we desired Titus, that as he had begun, so he would also finish in you the same grace also. Therefore, as ye have found in faith, and in all diligence, and in your love for us, see that ye have found in you this grace, sweet confidence,
Alright, sun's right there in my face. What's up, everybody? Welcome to, where are we at? Freeport. I was about to say Key West. Again, we didn't do anything here. We got off the ship we were probably off the ship for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes or something like that. So, another quiet day, that's for sure. But I did get my daughter a one of those wooden swords, handcrafted wooden swords, and you know, the guy engraved right there in front of us, engraved her name in there. So I thought that was pretty cool. The shops around here, yeah, I mean, mainly selling you junk. You know, like, but if you can find something unique in there, you know, and sometimes you can, you know, something that one of the locals here put a little work into, besides just reselling something that they bought off the internet. And so when you find that rarity, it's pretty cool. So especially while you're at the port, you know, when you're right here at the port. So anyway, not much to see here. As you can tell, it's an industrial area. There's a container port right there. You know, where they offload the ships, you know, and then they put them on trucks to distribute all around. But anyway, I think we're about to get ready for dinner. I have not recorded much today. Again, not much going on. We ordered pizza for lunch. I think most people stayed on the ship because when we got up kind of late and got some breakfast, and we decided to go to the Lido. It's like, oh, everybody's getting off, so the Lido should be pretty empty. Let's go to the buffet. Nope. So then we went down to the main dining room for breakfast. It was like 15 minutes left for it to, you know, to be open. So we went ahead and did that and ate our breakfast like that. So yeah, I think a lot of people, we went up to the Lido again to walk around a little bit, and yeah, there's a lot of people stayed on the ship. So not much going on here in Freeport. Kind of reminds me of Progresso. You guys ever been to Progresso? The cruise port is right in an industrial area, and you kind of have to you know, either take a shuttle or taxi to actually go find a beach or something like that. You don't have anything really close. So yeah, I think every itinerary you're going to have one of these type of ports where there's not much to do and you stay on the ship. For us, it's Jamaica. When we go to our usual ports of call that we usually do, usually that is like Jamaica. You know, it's not much to do in Jamaica. And then Belize is the same way. One of these days we're going to do something in Belize, but usually pretty tired, and because Honduras is a really good spot, Cozumel's a really good spot, Grand Cayman's a really good spot. Tomorrow's Half Moon Cay, and it's the reason why we booked this cruise, is to get that Half Moon Cay. So yeah, I think we'll go inside and get in some shade. I think the ship is about to leave. Start getting ready to go to dinner. Good stuff, good times. Still having fun, you know. It's just what happens. Have one of these type of days where like everybody stays on the ship. You know, yesterday we pretty much stayed on the ship. Same thing with Nassau. When we get to Nassau, I don't think we're gonna do much there either. So, all right.